It's not. How do you say it's not in Yoruba? It's not. You say it's not me. Then it's kìí ṣe. Kìí ṣe. Kìí ṣe. It's not. Kìí ṣe. So kìí ṣe, noun or pronoun. Kìí ṣe, noun or pronoun. It's not. Kìí ṣe, noun or pronoun. Or noun or pronoun. Ko. Noun or pronoun. Ko. So you say it's not. So if it's, but we use it with emphatic pronoun, right? So emphatic pronoun like èmi, which is me. Ìwọ, that is you. Then ìwọ to someone older, or ẹ̀yin to someone older, or a group of people, right? So ìwọ to your mate. That's what you could say. Ìwọ ńkọ́, what about you, right? And ẹ̀yin ńkọ́, what about you to someone older or a group of people, right? So àwa is us. Then àwọn is them. Then òun is him or her, right? So these are emphatic pronouns in Yoruba. Àpèmọ́ra. Right? So if you then want to say it's not me, you are saying kìí ṣe èmi, me. Kìí ṣe mi, it's not me. Kìí ṣe mi, it's not me. Oh, or you say èmi kọ́. Èmi kọ́. So that's why Àṣàkẹ́ could sing èmi kọ́ Ọlọ́run mà ní. That means it's not me, it's God, right? It can as well say kìí ṣe mi Ọlọ́run mà ní. Right, so it's saying the same thing. So if you not say, oh, àwa kọ́, it's not us. So you can as well say it's not me, kìí ṣe mi. So for example, if you want to say it's not me that called you, kìí ṣe mi ni ó pè ẹ́. Right, I know it's not them, kìí ṣe àwọn. So for example, it can then, you hear most of us say kìí ṣàwọn, it's not them, or kìí ṣòun, it's not him, right? So because we contrast, when two vowels follow each other, we then contrast it. For example, in that kìí ṣe àwọn, so if you want to say kìí ṣe Domi, kìí ṣe àwọn, that means it's not them, or it's not him or her to someone older, right? Kìí ṣe àwọn. It can then be when two vowels follow each other, one of them is not needed, especially the one with the first consonant right here, right? So kìí ṣe àwọn can then give you kìí ṣàwọn. Kìí ṣàwọn. Kìí ṣàwọn. Àbí àwọn kọ́. Right. So I want you to use it in sentences, right? 5 sentences. Right. Kìí ṣe àbí noun or pronoun kọ́. 5 sentences. Let me see what you have. Boom.
eayoruba.com